Oh, that was red.
To support Republicans that are standing with President Trump. On a national stage, can you mention who that may be? Other than
Discourse.com. Or call 706-993-5191. And remember, if your roof needs fixing, call Mr. Hickson.
When it comes to heating and air, there is a difference. The Coolray difference. When you need service or even a new unit, Coolray is the company you can trust. Coolray always works for the customer, keeping your best interest in mind. Whether it's budget-friendly repairs by the experienced technicians or installing a new green HVAC system, the Coolray staff delivers superior customer service. Schedule your HVAC inspection today and let Coolray...
Not the sharpest spoon in the drawer.
The folks you need to see. If you got somebody in your immediate circle of friends, family, or associates, special picking up, bouquet, a potted plant, an arrangement.
Wait your turn.
She was even on Capitol Hill in the first place testifying, and now we're hearing that EU Ambassador Gordon Sondland will apparently be there next week after the White House said it wasn't going along with this inquiry.
Yeah, I mean, I think it is a broader statement being made about how the White House's efforts to block this inquiry may not ultimately be fully as successful as they'd like it to be. Sondland, the diplomat who was supposed to testify and has now said he'll come next week, has now facing a subpoena. So essentially, there's all kinds of time frame. Do Democrats feel like they have enough evidence and are going to move quickly and expeditiously on articles of impeachment, or is this something that could go on for months and months or weeks and weeks?
Okay, let's make an appointment to have you on next week and be our congressional correspondent.
I'll be here.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
President Trump has said the White House
Will change the human rights crisis that he has caused at this very moment. None.
Other issues sure to come up at tonight's debate include the official impeachment inquiry launched by House Democrats.
First robot covered with artificial skin that works like our own, with cells that make up
That's not the way that works.
system.
Saturday night, President Trump blamed media and praised Democrats for his relenting. He will not host next year's G7 summit at Trump National Doral Resort in Miami. Chief of Staff Mick Mulvaney, who announced the original choice on Fox News Sunday.
He still considers himself to be in the hospitality business, and he saw an opportunity.
Online right now at drivecrescent.com. Everybody drives Crescent. You should too. Crescent Automotive, Pine Log Road in Aiken. Stop by and see them online. drivecrescent.com.
people say lefties or southpaws are different.
At Southpaw Roofing, we believe they're right.
We're different in the way we quote.
You know, if anything, this is probably an undercount, but we did find roughly 1,700 credibly abused priests. These are priests whose names are on lists the diocese have put out as being accused of sexual assault, are living virtually unsupervised.
Help our viewers understand how it is that facing credible allegations, they didn't go through the criminal justice.
The Stitch Fix, you get access to great links ranging from refined to rugged to fit your physique and budget. Discover the styles and styles that work for you at StitchFix.com. Personal style for men, women, and kids. StitchFix.com. Personal style.
Well, that got you way ahead.
Oh, I do.
Exit right to the left lane.
She said, well, do you eat a lot of gluten? Well, I don't know what gluten is, but I would say yes. I'm fairly certain I'm mostly gluten. Well, you should avoid anything with gluten.
A monetary value on that work, $27 million. There are regulars, and then a contingent of first-time volunteers. I don't know what I'm doing. Can I just follow y'all? And they were like, no. And I was like, I'm gonna follow y'all anyway.
School Evans High School student. This is really inexplicable. The Evans High School student who received the note from the Evans Middle School student took the quote unquote threat, which is.
Are you really that stupid?
At the school, he put an EMS label. Archie, are you there? Going once, going twice. All right, we tried. 706-863-5800 is the. I had a note sent to me a little earlier today, and I had not seen this story. Apparently, a couple of dogs have been discovered off of Athling Harlem Highway, shot and killed, and the authorities are investigating exactly who may be responsible for it. I hate to tell you this, but.
Georgia 388 north for 1.5 miles.
Oh man, I think I messed up her turn.
I'm Zach Taylor.
The Austin Road Show is on News Talk WGAC.
Our friends over the Frog Hollow Hospitality Group are so proud of their latest and greatest addition, which is, of course, Frog in the end. Frog Hollow Hospitality Group includes both farmhouses and
why you need to vote differently, because these guys are corrupt. Why aren't they doing it? Great question.
Or living it for a lifetime. The kitchen is usually the first story prospective buyers or your guests will see. So let us help you make a great first impression on everyone with a new kitchen from the Modeler's Warehouse or a fantastic.
that's when you want to unplug the toaster.
Some of our traditions happen in the
spiders, get Brunson on the job at your house to protect against those creatures. While they're there poking around for pests both seen and unseen, they're also looking out for signs of moles on a leash. and he was wandering the neighborhood.
There is not a leaf law in the county.
That ideal costume for themselves. Overall,
Oh,
those
come on. You got your own lane.
spent about $86 on average this year, with costumes being the biggest expense, followed by decorations.
This is how it
and
works.
The top
You move in here, which is your own lane.
Vampire and superhero.
Check your mirror. Turn in your blinker. Merge in.
For Tuesday, October 29th.
Two X's in a row.
As far as I know a few of them personally, but not a whole lot of them. They put on good shows. They put on religious shows. They put on spiritual shows. Nothing in the world let them act on. I don't hold the Inspector General himself or herself responsible for that, because that was the established accusation of President soliciting help.
Member of Congress to fight the insurance companies.
Paid for by Alliance for Access to Critical Care.
Whoa, that was red, totally red.
Within his authority and responsibility, he'd be derelict if he did not. And in fact, there were 3 at the time, so I'm driving a car and I got the baby napping. So pickup daughter, don't hit other cars, baby napping. Okay, man mind is full now. Don't call me in the middle of that. And that's what she did. Telling me stuff I already knew, and that's when it ruined it. I got mad at her, so I wished.
A manhunt for a suspected spree killer is underway in Florida. Police say Stanley Mossberg killed 2 people Sunday in Winter Haven. They warn he is armed and dangerous.
Stay locked in your house. And if you have a firearm and know how to use it, keep it close by.
Canadian and more to the right, Republican. Conservatives have always in this country been plagued by the notion they have a...
On the mall.
Catch that on the map, yeah. That's the first thing she says back to you.
There's vowels in it. You got
We've added 2 lines to our portfolio of services. First is LVP flooring, which is an affordable, waterproof flooring that looks like and feels like real hardwood.
Doesn't LVP stand for least valuable player?
Textures.
That's not the way that works.
Military spokesperson paid for by the Sentinel Group. Attention military vets and current soldiers who served between 2002 to 2016. However, in the Union 99 second law, please report 1504514. Paid military spokesperson paid for by the Sentinel Group. Attention military vets and current soldiers who served between 2002 to 2016.
Deja vu.
For over 20 years, the Pizza Joint continues to deliver quality food.
No, you stopped that 10 years ago.